Keto Strawberry Cheesecake Fat Bombs. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Preparation time, 1 hour. Servings, 3 fat bombs. Ingredients: 30 grams of strawberries, fresh or frozen, diced. 100 grams cream cheese, softened. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1 tablespoon erythritol. 1/3 cup coconut flour. Procedure: 1. Puree the strawberries and erythritol in a food processor. 2. Add remaining ingredients and blend until smooth. 3. Divide the dough into balls and chill until ready to serve. Nutritional information. Energy 146 kilocalories. Protein 2.6 grams 7%. Fat 14 grams 85%. Carbohydrates 3 grams 8%. Fiber 0.8 grams.